Hello folks, it's Derek James, Bayou Outdoor Supercenter right here in Bossier City, Louisiana's family-owned and operated RV store for over 40 years. Hard to believe the Hall of Fame game for NFL's over with. The Tigers are on the practice field, the Bulldogs, the Longhorns. What that means, tailgating season has arrived at Bayou Outdoor Supercenter. You want tailgate in style? A big fifth wheel toy hauler? The Keystone Carbon 417 has got it all. Outdoor speakers, and follow me right back here. You're talking about a tailgating experience, even a back patio option. Put your lawn chairs in the back. You have small kids or small pets. It's all secured right here. Got extra sleeping in the 12-foot garage area. You can put your side-by-side, your LSU golf cart in the back as well. Again, it's the Keystone Carbon 417 toy hauler for tailgating season here at Bayou Outdoor Supercenter. I know you love the outside, but you will simply love the living area, the master bedroom area, the huge bath, and again, your 12-foot toy box area, all here in the 417 Keystone Raptor 2019 model. Big four-door fridge and freezer, full cooktop and oven, big microwave, huge flat screen TV, cabinets above and below, all around. And check this out, folks. Big pantry area in the 417 Keystone Carbon. You've heard me talk about the toy box area. It's all separated, so if you do have your side-by-side in the area, you can keep the gas fumes from your living area. You got another queen-size bed, another bed or opposing couches, and a half bath is in the back on the one here too. Again, it's the Keystone Carbon 2019 fifth wheel. It has been dramatically reduced from $94,718 to a Bayou Outdoor red tag price of only $64,995. The 2019 Keystone Carbon fifth wheel for tailgating, folks, here at Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, 1800 Barksdale in Bossier, or BayouOutdoor.com.